Ever wonder how to craft a masterpiece with nothing but words and an AI? Welcome aboard. Today we're diving deep into the art abyss with Gemini Bard AI, your trusty sidekick in creating flawless masterpieces. Our first stop is the vision quest. Here's where your creative journey begins. Picture your masterpiece. What emotions does it stir? What tale does it tell? Etch that vision into your mind because it's the compass that'll guide your prompt. Next, we sharpen our words. Remember, a vague prompt is like a blurry roadmap. It gets you nowhere. Be crystal clear. Swap out the once upon a time for something like under the neon glow of a cyberpunk alley, a lone cyborg. Now, we move on to mood magic. Think of your artwork as a symphony. Is it a lamenting ballad or a foot-tapping rock anthem? Set the mood. Let the AI know if you want it dark and gritty or light and whimsical. This helps it paint the perfect sonic landscape. Our next step is a royal decree. Experimentation is king and queen. Gemini Bard AI thrives on the unexpected. Toss in a few curveballs, try different angles, genres, even alternate realities. Who knows, you might stumble upon an undiscovered masterpiece. Then we dive into show don't tell. Words are powerful, but visuals, they're explosive. Feed the AI examples of styles you admire. It could be a Van Gogh sunset, a chilling Ansel Adams photograph, a cyberpunk cityscape, anything that fuels your creative flame. Finally, we arrive at refine, repeat, rise. Remember, art isn't a destination, it's a journey. If the first draft isn't a Mona Lisa, don't sweat it. Tweak your prompt, keep the steps in mind, and watch as the AI magic unfold. So unleash that inner artist. Gemini Bard AI is your paintbrush, your chisel, your clay. With the right prompt, you can mold a world of wonder. Remember, creativity knows no boundaries, and with this AI by your side, the only limit is your imagination. Now, go forth and paint the universe your way.